wireless charging mousepad, large mousepad, mousepad phone charger, charging mousepad, wireless charging desk pad, mousepad with wireless charging, extra large. We've added a 15 watts Qi wireless charging dock to the mousepad, allowing you to easily charge any wireless charging device at your fingertips whilst you work. Office decor mousepad, desk accessories, electric heating pad with 3 heating levels and 4 hours auto shut-off, warm desk pad, extended edition gaming mousepad. A quality warm desk pad is safety certified CE, FCC, RoHS, quickly reaches and maintains desired temperatures. Compatible with smartphones and that support wireless charging. Your mousepad comes with an extra large 800mm by 300mm surface area, meaning there is plenty of space for your keyboard, mouse, and any other accessories you may have. The double-layer heating sheet enables rapid heating, and the obvious heat can be felt within 15 seconds, and the heating is uniform and stable, making your body warm in the winter. The heating sheet has been twisted and toe-tested hundreds of times and is durable. SLYUCAO warm desk pad, heated mousepad, heated desk pad touch control warm big mousepad with 3 speeds, 31 inches by 13 inches extended edition foot warmer pad gaming mouse mat. The warm desk pad is made of high quality PVC material and rubber backing, edge stitched, waterproof, pad size, 31 x 13 inches. It can be used as a desk